na made na tube ng brand niya Cheetah. Yang tire po Cheetah nga brand. Akong tanaw dugon sa performance ani. Diri ni siya itaod sa split type frame. Okay. We have here a split type frame. Okay, boss. And there's a tube. Brand name is Cheetah. 4.8 rim. Then the brand is Cheetah, made from Vietnam. Okay, we will assemble this. We'll mount this tire and tube in this kind of rim. We have here a split type rim. As you can see, we'll separate both sides, the other one and the other one. This is a split type rim, guys. So we will mount it here, and then we will find out later how it will be used and the quality of this tire. Okay. Subscribe sa channel ko. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga video na gagawin natin. We have just assembled the tire. We have mounted on the rim. Then we will replace this tire. Look. Replace the new one.